Yo, what's up guys? It's your gamer Waken. So today we gonna play Sim 2. Yeah boy. Open na games. Games. Lol. Wait, it sounds like gummy. Lol. Let's just continue. Man. Ano was makakos? It's good working. I don't like off-roading now. I'm going to my other garage. Set marker. Going to my other garage. Okay. Bro, 6 kilometers. It was like flying there. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm a grief. Yeah. Yo, get out of my way. No. Bruh. Rip car. Yo, get out of my way. What? Go to my other garage. Joan. Okay. Car's window. What the? What? Car's window? Okay, we're just kidding. We just started. That's where I purchased my Lada. Hey, get on my way, you ugly golf. I'm gonna turn you into a golf ball. Okay, let's go now. Let's just continue. Now I'm gonna crash there. Now I can. No, I don't wanna die again. Oh yeah. Bro. My car. Bro. Open na nun. Oh. What did you do that for? Bro. Oh, whoa. There we go. Hey. Yeah, boy. I don't wanna crash again. So, get out of my way. Bro, stop honking. You're so slow. Like a snail and turtle. Why is the cars like this? Oh yeah, the goal. Yeah, I like owning more. I don't wanna, please. Please, I'm just minding my own business. I'm minding my own business. Okay, let's just. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna record until 5 minutes. Sorry for the loud noise. Again. Sorry again. Okay, let's just be quiet. Okay. Save my Lada. Bro, my goal. There you go. Let's go. Yeah. Pam. Okay. Nah. Bro, it's not too yet. Yeah, this one. Oh, this is like a Roblox Tycoon song. Yo, way, Just kidding. Let's go. Yeah. Not gonna lie. I love this song. Yeah. Hey, get on my way, ugly thing. Bakit? Amaras. By the way, wala sa mga garage. Garage. Gar. Mga guys, I said, ma-record until 5.